I don't have heart. My heart is gone.
Bring it.
Let's do this.
Yo, what's up, beautiful people? So again, today I'm with Malik, and we are here to do a challenge.
Hello,
with
guys.
together we are 5.
Hello.
Yo.
And Rizzi Roma, right?
Rizzi Roma. So today we are meeting and we are doing a challenge of. You can see them exactly.
Spiciest.
The spicy one. So it's going to be fun. Malik, are you prepared for this?
I can feel the heat already.
Yeah, it's not a joke. Yo, are you prepared?
Everyone is ready, bro.
Who
is crying?
Hi guys.
Crying, man. You can't
Sadly,
see the
crying.
crying from inside.
Sadly,
yeah.
Nezi will not be able to
So-
make it due to personal reasons, but we're still good to go with the challenge. And we have Malik here,
Yep.
we have Rizwan from the 5, and then we have Brian who will still try something.
And also Rizzi Roma also will try. Rizzi Roma.
At least just a bite.
Roma, you should try at least half.
Just the bite.
No, not possible. It's spicy.
Just the bite.
Even I don't eat spicy.
Me
to be
also.
honest.
All of
Only
us,
for-
we don't
yeah,
eat spicy.
only for challenge.
Not
yeah.
this spicy.
Yeah.
We eat biryani spicy, chicken spicy.
That's not spicy.
That's- Any.
This is the last chip challenge, and this is around 3 million Scovilles. And first of all, I would like to say to the participants, don't take it if you don't want to. You only take it at your own will. I'm solely not responsible for anything that will happen. All right. Hi guys. So today we are here, and the guys who answered our request was Malik, and then we have Brian there, and then we have Rizzi Roma, and then we have Rizwan from the 5, and sadly Nezi couldn't make it. So, and now the guys are ready to take a challenge. So we have come down to 2, and also our subscriber couldn't make it. So we come down to 2 people taking the challenge, but Brian promised to taste it after the challenge is done. So everybody's excited, the guys are tensed, you can see it on their faces. Malik's like, can we get Malik's like, can we get done with this for good? Like,
We just take it too
God's
much
sake,
time.
you know?
That's and then we done.
Yeah.
Too much.
So you can see the chips are there.
But it's
And-
only 5 grams.
So the rules, like I told earlier, you only take this at your own will, and then when you start, when the timer starts, you start by, you need to break the chip, and then you need to eat in parts within 1 minute.
Okay.
All right? Or you have another choice. You can take the whole chip, but you need to keep it in like a soother for 30 seconds.
Okay.
All right? And then the balance 30 seconds, you eat the chip. So the choice is yours, what you're going to do. Okay? And then once you're done in 1 minute, you have 2 minutes to wait without water, milk, nothing. If you give up, you lose. If you both of you keep going after 2 minutes, then we wait for the last person to give up. Alright? That sounds fun, right? Alright guys.
Okay,
So,
come on. No.
Omar, can we have the timer in?
1 second. How you are going to eat? You are going to break it to 2?
Your style, my style. No same.
Your style is my style. So
Really?
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to break and then I'll start eating piece by piece.
yeah,
Yeah, piece by piece.
that's much better.
Yeah, so our viewers are gonna have a lot of fun.
If you consume all of this.
exactly.
Yes.
And remember, under 1 minute, yeah?
But my suggestion, I think one shot you should take it this one.
No.
Yeah.
One
because
shot, then
I
you join
can
us.
give you 1 shot.
Because you know, you
Why
take
should you
slowly,
join us?
slowly, then you will give up in the video.
Yeah.
Just like one time, just kill it.
No,
Yes.
one time, and also because we have to keep it in the tank for 30 seconds. That's a
30
most
seconds.
problem, no?
Yeah, so you
Because
need to
if
keep it
it-
like a soother for
yeah.
30 seconds.
That gonna heat,
Yes.
feel your tongue.
Alright.
and
And that's what this challenge is all about, Habibi.
That's the challenge.
So alright guys,
we are going to break it.
the timer
Yes.
goes in
Just breathe.
Wait.
Africa
Let,
versus
let
Sri
us
Lanka.
break first. Oh, it's became very
Spicy.
small.
it's you know, friends. So we'll just do it that way. Alright, so we start in 3, 2, and 1. Come on guys,
There we go.
let's do this.
Hi.
I love it.
How you feeling, bro?
Me?
You feeling anything already?
I'm okay.
That's good.
Oh, really?
Are you okay? Be honest, bro. Are you okay?
No salt, bro.
For me, I'm fine.
You have 30 seconds before your 1 minute is over.
Wow, you still have too much time.
Oh,
Ah. Yummy.
Yeah.
It's nice.
you finished?
I still have. Calm down, bro. I told you I'm from Africa. Africa, we have breakfast for spicy. Okay, lunch spicy, dinner spicy. Don't worry.
So Malik, you're down to your last piece, is it?
Ah.
Ah. Malik is done.
Oh.
Come on, Rizwan. Are you gonna
What's
take
going
it? Or leave it?
I'm going to get the hiccups, bro.
Slowly. Still you have time.
Are we winning or not?
Okay,
30 seconds is done. Can I
Yes.
swallow now?
you can solve it.
Yeah. Go ahead. Wow.
Can I go home now? Guys, I'm done. I need to go home.
I'm having a problem when I
Calm
eat.
down, bro.
No, when I eat spicy, I get hiccups.
Okay.
Just breathe in and then out.
So you're starting to feel spice, bro? Anything?
Almost.
Almost. How about you, Habibi?
I'm getting a hiccup, man.
Burning the sun down.
I'm waiting for him, you know. I've already won. Guys, you need to start clapping for me.
Okay.
Oh, because it's.
1 minute to go.
No, I have a.
Are you are?
It's-
You want to drink water?
Yeah,
Tissue is here.
because I am having.
Do you want me to finish for you?
I can finish it off, no problem.
40 seconds to go.
Because of the hiccups.
40 seconds.
Who is the winner now? Who is the winner?
Malik is?
The winner.
Monica is winning, huh?
Hey, money can take one more. Sir?
How do you feel it?
It's just a strategy, you know. I take the AC inside and then you don't know really. You took water, right?
Yes, he's already out. Out.
To the winner's circle,
We-
your Fortnite World Champion, Booga!
My mom is watching. I don't want her to be like, oh my god,
So
my
you lasted, you're done. The time is up. So the 3 minutes is over. And,
Spicy, bro.
and sadly for Rizwan, he has a problem with spice. He gets hiccups, so he had to take water and quit the challenge. And then the champ.
Sorry, guys.
The champ in the house.
You won, right? I'm still not drinking. I'm still not drinking.
So tell me, what do you feel? How do you feel?
Because I chewed from this side, it's only hot from this side. I'm okay from here. And my throat as well is only spicy from this side. But I'm still fine. I can even go home like this, I'm sure.
Sure.
Without taking any water.
Really, trust me.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
And then how about you?
That is all he can say.
He started now.
No, that is all he can say.
It's
Spicy, yeah?
yes.
Not coming.
I have no words, bro.
Is it hot for you? Can you increase AC for him? You need more AC?
Even your tears are coming out, bro. try.
I'm still fine. Still no water, guys. My water is still here.
But
I
it's
like
not.
how you're keeping it up, man.
Yeah.
It's not like
Cool.
that. Wings. Yeah.
Yeah.
It has heat, but not spicy.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can feel it in my stomach, you know.
Oh.
And my nose.
Nose is starting already.
Yeah. And my eyes. How many minutes now? Maybe
Like
3
4
minutes.
minutes
4
down.
minutes done. 4 minutes done.
You need to come for practice, okay? I teach you how to handle chili.
No. To be honest, whenever I eat little bit spicy, also I get hiccups.
Ah.
Next challenge we need to take our winner Salman and you to the.
No, even though in the spicy wings challenge, I got the hiccups. If not, otherwise I could have finished the 12 wings.
Wow.
That's why I drank water in the beginning. That's the problem for me. Anyways, I challenged with Africa.
And Africa win, right?
Yeah, you took
Always.
the cup home. Always. So you considered the defeat.
Yes.
So now so coming to the end of the challenge, we're done now. We had Rizwan. He had an issue mid challenge, so he had to drink water, and then the champ right next to me, to my left.
I need to take this one home, guys.
Give him the
No
trophy.
problem. No
This one is
problem.
going to be breakfast, lunch, and then
Dinner.
dinner.
And I would like to conclude by saying that I really appreciate you guys coming over and supporting us, doing a collaboration, and it was nice having you guys on the video. And we look forward to doing more collabs in the future. Or in 5 minutes from now, we have another video.
Exactly.
Well done.
Yo, you did well.
Yes.
And,
Even you
we
try.
also have
Do you
Roma
want to
there,
try
even though he didn't
arm wrestling because I can
participate.
see he's really strong. Huh? You want to try arm wrestling? Next
Come
video.
on, man. You see your biceps. See mine? Look at this. I'm like, baby. Why not?
So we have Roma, even though he didn't participate, he was also part of this collab. Thanks, bro. Thanks for coming.
Sure.
And we look forward to doing more
Next
collabs
time again.
for sure.
Yes.
Something not spicy.
Exactly, he's going to join.
It's not little spicy, but not like this super spicy. Of course. You are in trouble, big trouble.
All right, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe,
Comment.
and also comment. Give us your thoughts. Let us know what we need to do. Future
Next
collaborations,
Correct.
and also subscribe to their channels. We have 3 more channels here. We have
The
Malik
Team
Sterling,
Brian,
we have
Riza
the Team
Roma.
Brian, and we have Riza Roma in the house, along with VR5. Signing out for today. Much love. God bless. Peace.
Boom.
See you.
Ooh.